talking to Z.
So guys, I'm back again with another black soap recipe. This is actually a repair black soap recipe. This is very good on the skin. If you have eczema or white spots, white dots on the skin, you can use this black soap and it will help get rid of all those things. So quickly, I'll be taking you through. Here's my black soap. I'll be using my Ghana black soap today. As usual, my best black soap to use. So in this plate, I have all my powders. I'll be using burnt plantain powder. I'll be using burnt plantain powder. Here is my licorice powder. Here I have 10 gram licorice powder. Here I have also 10 gram powdered milk. Here I have just 5 gram of sulfur, and I have also 10 gram of my orange peel powder, 5 gram of my neem powder, 10 gram of my oatmeal powder, and 10 gram of my mulberry powder. So guys, you can do your research. These powders are very, very good. They are organic, 100% organic. It's very, very good for the skin, especially the neem powder. This is a very good repair powder. It helps to clear acne. It helps to clear those white spots on your skin. Any kind of skin condition you have, neem powder will help to clear those things. So quickly guys, I'm going to start off right now. So, madam, so I'm going to be crumbling my black soap into this bucket I have here. Just crumble it in with your hands. So as you know guys, I've done videos on black soap on my channel. Check it out if you want a whitening black soap. You can also make a repair black soap and add in some other whitening powders, you know, to help activate your black soap and help it to function not just as a repair black soap but also whitening and repair black soap. I'm actually making this for my friends' kids, so I will not be putting in some of those lightening powders that will lighten their skin. I have here my mulberry powder, sandalwood powder, licorice powder. These are very safe on the skin of kids. So if you want something more active, you can add in your sepia white, snow white powder, and the others into this mixture. So after breaking this black soap, so I'm just going to be shredding it in there. There are so many benefits of black soap. I have so many friends that use this black soap and they love it. They always ask me to make black soap for them. They ask me to mix black soap. So guys, this is it. I'm actually going to be making this into a shower gel because it's for kids. It's easier for her kids to pump it out. You can also make this into a solid form. So guys, I actually turned in 1 liter of hot water into this mixture. I'm going to be leaving this for some time to melt. I'm going to be covering this and leaving this for some time to melt. So I will come back to you as soon as it melts, guys. So you can see it has all melted in. Our black soap is melted in. After allowing it to cool for some minutes, it's melted. So I'm going to be adding in, I still have just some chunks in there, little chunks, but don't worry, it's going to melt after some time. So I'm going to be adding in my powders in there. This is plantain, burnt plantain powder. Going to be adding it into the mixture. Stir it very well. Also my other powders, my goat milk, licorice powder, all these which are very good for the skin. I'm just going to be turning all of my powders in there. So I put in all my powders, but I'm leaving out my sulfur powder. That will go in at the end. So I'm going to be mixing all this together. Mix all this together. So into the mixture, I'm going to be adding in some Omi Aro. Omi Aro, as we all know, is very good for, it's an anti-reaction, very good for black spots, good for eczema, to help to repair the skin. So I'm going to be adding in 15 ml of coconut oil into the mixture. And also my honey, 2 tablespoons of honey into the mixture. Guys, so we have so I'm going to be stirring this in. Stir in. As you can see, they're all melting in. There. So now I'll be adding in my sulfur powder. So I'll be adding in half tablespoon of my preservative into the mixture. This is optional, guys. My partner is also working here with me. So this is also for my fragrance, half tablespoon of my fragrance into the mixture. So I'll be adding some drops of my some drops of my lavender oil into the mixture. Also half tablespoon of rosehip oil into the mixture. I'm going to be turning it into this container. So that's it, guys. Repair black soap shower gel is ready to be used.
Pure bliss, so natural. Everything cool and it ain't natural. Make your body fine and glow natural. Pure bliss, very nice and so natural.